The 2026 Sherco 300 SE Factory stands as Sherco's premier offering in the two-stroke Enduro segment, tailored for riders who demand both agility and raw power. Building on Sherco's legacy in off-road racing, this machine blends championship-proven engineering with race-ready components. What's new in 2026 updated graphics kit to reflect the 2026 model year? Distinctive blue plastic components giving the bike a sharp, factory-fresh appearance. Equipped with an electronic power valve system and the reliable Keihin PWK 36 carburetor, ensuring lively throttle response and explosive torque. Engine and performance under the Husky shell beats a 293cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder two-stroke engine, delivering a potent blend of lightweight performance and responsive power delivery. The bike boasts 72mm bore x 72mm stroke configuration, electric start for quick ignition and modern convenience. Uses a 2% oil fuel mix and runs on 95E10 unleaded gasoline. Chassis, suspension and braking built to excel in demanding terrain. The 2026 Sherco 300 SE Factory features a semi-perimeter chrome molybdenum steel frame for optimal balance between rigidity and flex. KYB 48mm closed cartridge front forks, 300mm travel, and a KYB rear shock, 330mm travel, tailored with specific spring rates for sharp handling. Stop power by Brembo hydraulic brakes, 260mm front and 220mm rear discs. Wheels, tires and ergonomics rugged and race-ready, the bike rides on. Excel rims in sizes 1.60 x 21 inch, front, and 2.15 x 18 inch, rear, wrapped in Michelin Enduro medium tires. Ground clearance at 355mm, wheelbase of 1,480mm, and a seat height set at 950mm, optimized for technical terrain. Transmission and controls 6-speed gearbox with 520 O-ring chain for durable and smooth gear transitions. Brembo hydraulic multi-disc clutch in an oil bath ensures clean and dependable engagement. Powered by a 220W alternator, supported by a BS 12 volts 140A lithium battery for reliable electronics. The 2026 Sherco 300 SE Factory is a top-tier two-stroke enduro motorcycle for serious riders. It mixes cutting-edge performance with mechanical finesse and sturdy durability. Whether you're hitting rugged trails or chasing podium finishes, this bike delivers a thrilling and professional-grade ride.